Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. There are different kinds of adjectives. Adjectives tell you quantity, quality, size, color, and origin. In the last part of video, I will tell you what is the difference between adjective of quantity and quantifying determiners. I am Muhammad Arsalan and you are watching your own grammar channel, Grammar A to Z. So let's make it simple for you with the help of this written description. Kinds of adjectives. As I told you, there are different kinds of adjectives. Some adjective describes the qualities of noun. What certain qualities a noun possesses. Example, a hot bun. What is the quality of the bun? The bun is hot. A cold drink. What is the quality of the drink? Cold. A fierce dog. What is the quality of the dog? Fierce. An ugly monster. What is the quality of the monster? Ugly. A kind lady. What is the quality of the lady? Kind. Second, some adjectives tell you which place or country a person or thing comes from or belongs to. They are called adjectives of origin. Adjectives of origin. Example, Chinese Kung Fu. Kung Fu, but that particular Kung Fu belongs to China. The English language. There are a lot of languages in the world, but what is the origin of the language? English. An Indian temple. There are a lot of temples in the world, but somehow the origin of the temple is Indian. There is an important thing that you must remember. If you derive an adjective from proper noun, so treat the adjective as proper noun and always remember to capitalize the first letter of the particular word. Next, some adjectives tell you the color of the things. There are things and they have particular specific colors. Example, white paint, brown shoes, green apples. So what is the color of the paint? White. White is an adjective. What is the color of shoes? Brown. Brown is an adjective. What is the color of the apples? Green. It is an adjective. Some adjectives tell you the size, whether small, bigger, taller, whatsoever. Size of the nouns they describe. They are describing a noun by showing their size. A big hat. Big is an adjective of size. A high mountains. High is an adjective of size. A tall boy. A tall is an adjective of size. Here, this is an important thing to remember. So, what is the difference between tall and high? Because literally both shows the same meaning. You can say that if narrow height, narrow height, suppose a bookcase, suppose a man, they have narrow height. We use tall for narrow height and we use high for mighty height. Mighty height. Mountain. Mighty. So, high mountain, do not use high man, tall mountain. With tall use for narrow height and high use for mighty height. So, forget this. Numbers are adjectives too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. These are also numbers. Amazing. They tell you how many people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many animals? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are known as adjective of quantity. As I told you, I must tell you what is the difference between adjective of quantity and quantified determiners. So let's understand adjective of quantity. Hen, birds, butterflies. One hen. How many hens? One. Two birds. How many birds? Two birds. How many butterflies? Four butterflies. Here you must pay attention here. One is a specific counting. Two specific counting. For specific counting, even 20, 200, 2000, 2 million, whatsoever, specific counting. When you have specific counting, this is adjective of quantity. Here, adjectives that tell you about quantity are also called quantifying determiners. So question is also here. And what's the difference between adjective of quantity and quantifying determiners? That is the answer. They won't give you the exact number. Like here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But here you don't have exact number. Example, some soldiers, I don't know and you do not know what is the meaning of some. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whatsoever. What is the meaning of some? A few cups. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatsoever, but somehow a few cups. And we do not know the exact figure, exact number. A little rice, a little, lots of insects, and we don't know what is the meaning of lots of. 2, 3, 4, 100,000, million, billion, trillion, I do not know, and you don't know. So when you don't have the exact number, then you say this is quantifying determiner. They are adjectives too, but somehow you can call them grammatically quantifying determiners. But you have, when you have exact number, call adjective of quantity. Recap. Qualities. Qualities. When a noun describe the qualities of noun, we can say that adjective of quality. Adjective of origin told us where the person, thing belongs to. Adjective of color shows us the color of the thing, color of the animal, color of the person. Yes. For example, I got the brown skin. Adjective of size told us the size of the thing, whether bigger, small, thinner, whatsoever. Adjective of number tells us the number. And quantifying determiners tell us not in exact way, but somehow tell us something present here for us. Example, some soldier, a few cups, a little rice, lots of insects. That's all for today. So nice of you.